For this factorization question here, what we are given is that the area of the rectangle is already represented by this expression x squared plus 16x minus 36. Alright, and we are also given that the width is x minus 2 meters, and we are supposed to find the expression that represents the length of the rectangle. Alright, so since this is a quadratic expression here, we know that it has two factors. One of the factors is x minus 2, and we can assign the length to be represented as x plus a, right, where a is the unknown that we need to find. Alright, so let's go about doing that. So the two factors will be x minus 2 multiplied by x plus a. Alright, now let's expand this expression, alright, and see what we get. So x multiplied by x, I get x squared. X multiplied by a is ax. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And minus 2 times a is minus 2a. Alright, now the next step is to group the terms together, since I have two x terms here. So I have x squared plus a minus 2 into x minus 2a. Alright, now you can see that this expression, alright, can be directly compared with this expression here. Okay, so I'm going to put them side by side over here. So x squared plus 16x minus 36. Alright, so when we compare these two expressions, we are actually comparing coefficients to find the unknown variable here. Alright, so if I look at x squared, for both of them, the coefficient here is actually a 1, alright, which is not written. Now, to find a, I can compare two different coefficients. Either I can compare x, or I can compare the constant term here. Alright, and I will show you that they both give you the same answer. Alright, if I were to compare the constant term over here, you can see that the constant here is minus 36, and the constant here is minus 2a. Correct? So that means minus 2a is equals to minus 36. A is equals to minus 36 over minus 2. So a is equals to 18. Alright, if I were to compare the coefficient of x, plus 16 is equals to a minus 2. Alright, so a minus 2 is equals to 16. So a is equals to 18. Alright, so you can see that in both cases, I get the same answer for a. Alright, and with that, we can give the answer that the expression of the length is x plus 18. Alright, so that is the expression for the length of the rectangle here. Okay, so I hope this explanation is clear, alright, on how to solve this particular question here. Alright, thank you. Bye.